This is Trisha, and I wanted to go over the trades for Monday, June 29th. If you'd like to check out the two setups that we use, you can go to www.easyemintrade.com and check those out. So this is our longer tick chart on our left and our smaller tick chart on our right. We had a trend line break here just about 10 o'clock, just a little bit after. However, we did not have confirmation on our indicator until the very next bar. So that, for me, makes this trend line invalid for an entry, because I want the indicator to be in alignment when that breaks, because I'm wanting to enter on the very next bar. Obviously, you can see after the fact that this worked out regardless of this being in alignment or not. And your indicator may have already been in alignment, so if it was, then you absolutely could have taken that trade. So what we had to do, or what I had to do, was wait for an entry after that once this got in alignment, which is the same reason why we couldn't take this first squeeze, because our indicator over here was not in agreement at that point yet to go long. So we had to wait for another opportunity, which we did get on our 512 tick chart. Unfortunately, when this fired off on the very next blue dot, that's typically where we like to get in above the high there, it just moved too fast, so we just couldn't get on there fast enough. So unfortunately, we missed the beginning part of this move. We just couldn't get on in that trade fast enough. But we did get another opportunity here at 10:28. We got another squeeze firing off our 200 tick chart that we were able to get on, and that was at 10:28, and we got in at 9:20. We had said if we get a squeeze firing off just above this high from Friday, then we'll take it. And we did get that, and we did get on, and we actually got +1, +2, and on our remaining third, we flattened and canceled at +1.5. So that's what we did on that trade there. So we didn't get the whole move, but at least we got another opportunity to jump on. And then we had another squeeze firing off a little before 11. I think it was like 10:46, 10:45, somewhere in that area. And so we took it, and it started to turn against us, so we actually flattened and canceled at break even on that trade, or you might have gotten a quarter point loss on that. So overall, that's what we did for all of our trades. Unfortunately, the rest of the day just went, as you see, sideways within a very small range. It wasn't a range large enough to trade. It was just, a couple points. So unfortunately, there was nothing that we could really do there. So anyway, those are the trades that we took for Monday, June 29th, and I hope that helps.